Right, we're looking at the functions that are discussed at the elementary level, and this discussion once again is being recorded for control and quality purposes. So let's get started. Okay, we need to find the outputs here. When you are told that the number 1 multiplied by 3 is going to give us a result. What is the result? So 1 times 3 is equal to what? 1 times 3 equals exactly 3. So that is what you're going to write down. So in other words, 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 is what? It's a 9, okay? Then you take 5. 5 times 3 equals what? 15. 7 times 3 equals what? 21. 9 times 3 equals what? 27. So this is by and large how it's done. Okay, these are like functions. You work out the inputs and the outputs, the input values and the output values. Okay, let's look at the next one. Now, if you're looking at this one here multiplies by 10. So let's just multiply through by 10. Like, what is 2 times 10? What do you think 2 times 10 is, Mpile? Are you hearing me, Mpile? 2 times 10. What do you think that is, Mpile? 20, right? 4 times 10. What is 4 times 10?
10, 15.
4 times 10 is what? 4 times 10 is
Yes.
40. 6 times 10. What do you think 6 times 10 is, Mpile?
What's 4 times 10?
4 times 10.
6 times 10.
4. 27.
Okay, that's fine. It is 60. 60. 8 times 10. What is 8 times 10? 80. 10 times 10. What is 10 times 10? 100. 100. Next. We are adding the number 9 to each of these entries. Right. So adding the number 9 to each of these entries, it's like, what is 6 plus 9? What is 6 plus 9, Mpile? Is the number 15.
6 plus 9.
What is 78 plus 9, Mpile?
15.
What do you think? 78 plus
7
9.
plus
What is the
8.
answer? It's 87, Mpile.
Is it 18?
What is 26? 26 plus 9. 26 plus 9 is what, Mpile? 26 plus 9 is what?
9.
26 plus 9. It is
Is it
35.
20?
That's fine. Yeah, I don't mind the echo that's in the background. It might just be a network, but there's this feedback sound that's coming back, you know. Now, what is 36 plus 9, Mpile? 36 plus 9, what is the answer? 36 plus 9 is a 45. Right. What is 48 plus 9, Mpile? 48 plus 9. What is 48 plus 9? It's 57. It's 57. Next question.
7.
Let's look at division now. We are saying this number divided by 6 equals what? So 3 divided by 3 is what, Mpile? What is 3 divided by 3? 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3. What is 9 divided by 3? It is 3.
1,
9 divided by 3. What is 15 divided by 3? It is 5. 21 divided by 3. What is 21 divided by 3, Mpile? Is the number 7.
45,
What is 27 divided by 3, Mpile? 27 divided by 3. What's the answer?
7,
It is 9. Next question. Now we're looking at multiplication by 2.
9,
So multiplication by 2 would be, what is 1 times 2, Mpile? 1 times 2. What do you think 1 times 2 is, Mpile? Yes. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is equal to what, Mpile? 2 times 2 equals what? Yeah. What do you think, Mpile?
4,
Well done. 4. 3
4,
times 2. What is 3 times 2, Mpile? 3 times 2 is what?
9,
It's 6. Is the number 6.
9,
4 times 2 is what? 4 times 2 is what?
4 times 2,
Is the number 8. 5 times
8.
2 is what?
12,
5 times 2 is 10. Okay, good. You're learning these things, Mpile. You are learning these things, Mpile. Let's look at some other examples.
11,
Let's look at some other examples. Here are the following examples. Okay, so we continue. Okay, now, in these examples, we are looking at how to break down the number into constituent numbers. Okay, so as follows. Break down the following numbers into hundreds, right, into hundreds. Okay, into hundreds. Tens and units. So let's just look at these particular examples. Number 1. Number one. Okay, what is number one? Number one is saying, for example, you're looking at this one, 263. 263. Number 392. 406. 914. 124. 355. 86. Six. 540. So we continue. Right. So at this point, we're saying break down the following numbers into hundreds, tens, and units. So we have the following. So this will be 200. 200, and then you add 60, and then you add 3 to it. Here you have 300. We have 90, and then 2. 400. Right, so you have 400 plus 6. Here you have 900 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, let's look at the number 914 in Pete. 914. So 914, you split it into 900, then 10, and then 4 for the units digit. Okay, let's come and see what Mpile can do. How can you break down the number 124, Mpile? It's equal to what plus what plus what, Mpile? 124. What is it equal to? Hello, Mpile? Yeah, like this. Like we said, 263. You take the 2 and you put 2 zeros, 200. And then here the 6 is written as the 60. And then you have 3. Okay, so 124 is split into what? Is equal to what if we break it down? What do you think, Mpile? Any thought, Mpile? 124 is 100 plus 20 plus 4. What is 355 equal to, Mpile?
4.
What do you think?
300 and what?
355. 355.
I'm not sure.
Okay. 355. You take the 3. Because how many digits are here? There are 1, 2, 3 digits. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. So it means that the 3 is of the hundreds. And the 55 is actually having a 50 here. Then you have this one, 5 for the units digit. Okay, let's look at the number 86. Is equal to what? Okay, the number 86 is the same as 80 plus 6. Okay, let's look at the number 540. The number 540 is equal to what? What do you think, Mpile? Let's break down 540. Okay, so it is 500.
Not sure.
plus 40. Only that. Okay, let's continue with the pattern. What
50.
about 487?
T.
329.
Plus 5.
538. What are these things equal to, Pile? Let's break this down, please. 487
80 plus 6.
is equal to what? Okay, so the 4, because
I'm
it
not
has 4
sure.
zeros, please come again. The 4
I'm
is
not
400.
sure.
The 8, because the second one is digit number 2, you put it with 8 and 0. Digit number 3, you put it as what? 7. You get the point. 329, you have 300. Then you have 20. Then you have 9. Okay, 538, you have 500. You have 30. And then you have 8. Do you see that in Pile? Please watch this video. Watch this video. Write down this thing. Then tomorrow we will continue after school. Okay. All right, in Pile.
Okay.
After school tomorrow, we're going to do more and more. Okay.
Yeah, I'll practice more.
Yes, you need to practice more, practice more, practice more. But I will see you tomorrow after school. All right.
Okay.
Thank
you
you,
for teaching me
Pile,
so
for
far.
today. I'll see you tomorrow and goodbye.
Sunshine.
Yes, Lerato.
When is our class?
That's a good question. When is it? It can be the next couple of minutes. Let's just have a break of 1 hour and meet at 9:30. Let's meet at 9:30. Oh,
What are we? Okay. Are
Yeah,
you sure?
yeah, we'll decide what we're gonna do.